Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. Know how to create a new power plan on your Windows 11 PC, laptop, or Windows 10 computer. So it's a very straightforward process. You just need to click on the search icon and you need to type create power. Or I would recommend just type power and you will find many options. I'll let you know. Here we have the best match PowerPoint, apps, and settings. So here we have this edit power plan, choose a power plan. So we need to click on choose a power plan. And here we have many options like balanced, gaming, techie. If by any chance, if you do not see a ultimate performance or high performance, or if you have performance issues while gaming, I would recommend to create a simple new power plan, which is at the left hand side. Create a power plan. I'll click on that. I'll go back and I'll show you where you will find it. It is under control panel, all control panel items, and then power options. And we need to select create a power plan. I'll click on that. And here you can give a name. So I'll type like high performance like that. And we need to click on next. And here you need to make changes and you just need to click on create. So you will also get a performance option here, whether you want a balanced high performance or anything like that. And then you can create it. So this is how you can create a new power plan on your computer. I hope you have enjoyed this very short tutorial. Please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.